Another beautiful river, and you can see right here. Oh, hi there. You can see right here that there's a oh, okay, I couldn't talk either way. You can see that part of the river, it's a little bit deeper, then it's shallow again in that reef almost, and then right here it's deeper again, and it's like the perfect example of a salmon spawning ground. The first deeper part, they are like smashing with their tails and digging a little bit a deeper hole, and then this ring you can see here is like a shield from the behind, and they're spawning inside that deeper part, and they're like having like a ring on the front and the ring on the back, like a reef. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're back on the river. We are catching grayling, trout, and something like that today, hopefully. Yeah, the scenery is beautiful, but yeah, I hiked here about a week ago, and I saw some really prospective, interesting spots that just look trouty, and I will try them today. I have fished this river before, but not this spot exactly, but ways downstream. So yeah, this river is a tributary, second to a river that flows into the sea. So yeah, as I said, salmon spawning here, trout, grayling, and all the interesting kind of fish, for me at least. Also cursing myself already for not clothing myself the correct way again. It's my biggest problem all the time. Either I'm too cold, either I'm too hot. It was supposed to be like 19 degrees, overcast, a little bit of wind, and you know, when you're standing in water and not moving too much around, it can get a little bit chilly. But now I've hiked in for almost 2 kilometers just to reach this spot, and I'm cooking already. I have a base layer, like a compression pants base layer. I have an undershirt, and then this. And the heat that comes from the backpack when I'm carrying it around. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be fine because I'm not gonna be moving as much. About the river, I have seen fish rising already. Could be some kind of minnows as well, but that just tells me that the water is in a good condition and fish are active. I can't wait to catch my first trout. So yeah, I guess that's it about the intro of today. We're going to fish for a little bit, then we are going to cook us a little meal. I have a little pouch, like a trekking meal that you just have to pour boiling water in it. So yeah, we're gonna cook up that and chat a little bit, and let's try to get something out of this beautiful place. Really like how the water is looking. I'm trying my best not to make it murky with my steps and while I'm going. A lot of really nice looking spots. A lot of rocks, foam line, back eddies and something like that. There's a big rock, let's try behind there. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but look at the hatch that's flying. The fish just have to be active right now. It's like, oh, something took it. Something took it, I didn't see. Ah, something is nibbling, yeah. Something is trying to take it, what the? Is the fish too small or what? Some kind of minnow? Or was that a pesky trout? A good fish, a good fish. a good fish on. Wow. I think it's a big grayling. What a fight. What a fight. Yeah, it's a big grayling. Wow. I can't even. It's a beautiful grayling. Come on, boys. Come on. In our miniature net. Come on. Oh, got it. Oh. Amazing, guys. Wow. It's a beautiful one. Let me just get it out there. Oh, I got it. And it released. Oh, it released itself. Wow, that was a tank. That was a tank. Whew. That's crazy. I came in contact with that fish for like 3 or 4 times. I'm lost of words still. That was so cool. Oh my God. And it's so hard to manage it to flow naturally because the stream is like uneven. It's faster there, it's slower there. And if it's for some reason not as natural as it should look, they're just not taking it. They're not just looking at it. You have to mend, you have to do so much things in order to be successful. That's crazy. But that was a beautiful grayling. Oh my God. I changed my bottom fly to a different one. We'll still gonna rock with this parachuter. And on the bottom we have this crayfish grub-like looking thing. And yeah, I'm thinking if not this length between the flies is a little bit too small, but let's see. Yeah, I think it's just not sinking as well, as good as the previous nymph did, because it had a little bead head. Well, it was not a tungsten or a jig head, but the little bead was giving it a little bit of weight, so it sank a little bit. So I'm not so sure that they are gonna rise for this one. There's a little bit of wind coming in now. I changed. Yeah, I can't even cast against the wind. The wind is really strong now. I changed to another nymph because, yeah, we somehow lost our bottom fly, our little grub. And now we have like a little olive nymph on the bottom. And I just want to see oh, I think I did get something, no? I lost my line. Because previously, after I caught that fish, I still saw some activity down here. So I thought maybe I just have to change my nymph. So, oh, that was a good take. Aggressive take. That was aggressive take, really. Again. We're gonna get another one, guys. Oh yeah, we got one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we got one, guys. That's amazing. We still have it? We still have it? No, we don't. Oh my god. Yeah, I have to work on my retrieving because I let off the pressure of the line. And if there's no pressure, the fish is just coming off. And if you're not retrieving with pressure all the time, it's gonna just go off, just gonna come off. That's what heavy nymphs are meant for, dragging along the bottom. And if something is there on the bottom, then you're ending up with your shirt changing colors. Let me just set you guys up on my chest strap and let's try some other parts of this river that are looking promising, right? This place looks like the water is moving a little bit too fast, I would say. But there's a nice deeper section and I have a heavy nymph on. So maybe we can get something to move in here. There should be a good spot, right? It's a slower moving water, which usually means it's a little bit deeper. No interest there. Oh, something took it, and we're on. We're on, guys. Yep, we're on. Another grayling, a little one. Maybe not so little. Oh, it's so strong against the current, guys. Okay, so how I not lose it? How to not lose it? Because I need to reel in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna reach for my line. And it went away. And we're on. Oh my god. Okay, let's allow it to drag our line. And then just let's reel it in. and that's how I'm gonna get it, right? Pressure is on all the time. I'm reeling in, I'm reeling in. We're catching fish left and right, guys. Okay, now I need to, okay, I got this. And come here, come here, come here. Oh, into the net. Nice, amazing. Let's try to release him. Let's try to release, oh, he released himself. Nice, I can see the nymph right here. Hey, stop. Stop, 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 stop moving, please, guy. Okay. And beautiful fish. Little grayling. Off he goes. And I'm wondering, oh, caught myself. I'm wondering if there are fish in this deeper, slower part. Because as you can see, the rapids end completely. It gets deeper there, and the stream sort of disappears. There's no like mainstream. It just moves as a one mass. So those places usually in this river hold pike or something like that, not those fish that like the faster moving water. That's what I have seen previously. And this river is really interesting. It can support life for such a fish as a pike, which is crazy to me. For trout, for grayling, it's like really diverse. And it gets really deep here. Don't want to get too deep. I'm going across and out because I'm not going to be able to hike along that bay, along that bank, because there's a cliff there. I have hiked a little bit further where the river starts to speak and move again, and we have got ourselves another grayling. A smaller guy, smaller one this time. Let's try to set him free quickly. It's out already. He spat the nymph. And let's put him in water. And let's release him. We have yet to catch a trout here. Only grayling. I have caught trout in this river, but as I said previously, it was ways downstream. And it was much easier to get a trout than it was to get a grayling here. So all I'm saying is, where are all the trout? I think we'll manage to get one. There's a nice spot. with a nice main stream with rocks. Feels weird to now fish with the stream coming from the other side. All morning I fished the other way. Now it's like it feels kind of off a little bit. Maybe it's a bit too shallow here. Just too fast here. Oh, didn't even see that it's such a nice spot further down. Let's see here. I can't see my fly right now because of the glare. There's another beautiful section ahead of us. And this part looks nice as well. Whoa. Well, I think we have gone away from Grayling heaven. Well, there's a promising spot in front of us, but yeah, let's see. What has happened in the past few minutes? I took a little rest, just for a couple minutes, and also I lost my bottom fly, my bottom nymph, to be more precise. I lost it in a tree. But it was also so banged up, it was time to change it anyways. So I have now something like this on my bottom, as my bottom fly, as my dropper. And we're still going strong with the elk hair parachuter. And we are at a pretty nice looking spot. The weather has changed a little bit. It's completely overcast now. Well, not completely, it's a little bit broken still, but yeah, and for fishing I would say it's even better. The fish should be less spookier, and yeah, I just want to see if we have left or if we are still in Grayling heaven. And yeah, we're about to find out. We're about to find out right now. And also, I have been on the river for like 3 and how many hours? 4 hours I'm here. Oh my god, 4 hours already? It's including the hike from the car, not for 4 hours fishing. I feel like I have fished like for maybe an hour or two, but yeah. So total time outside is now 4 hours. And I'm thinking and deciding on what to do. I have just now eaten a banana and an apple, so I feel pretty good. I feel pretty energetic, and I feel like I could go on. Also, I brought with myself, as I told you in the video in the beginning, I brought... Did I lose my fly again? Yeah, I did. Okay, good cast. Good cast there. This is a beautiful place here. Just beautiful. I hope you can see something in the video, because the glare of the water is pretty strong here. I have come to a conclusion that we're just gonna do what we're set to do, right? Let me just set up my trusty kitchen, portable kitchen right here. And while the water is boiling, I'm just gonna go fish here, right? Why not? That's gonna be fun. And when the water boils up, just have a good meal. I thought for a second that I didn't pack anything to make fire with, but I think I have my ferro rod here. Yep, I do. And we're gonna boil it on this trusty old and crusty bottle. It's not the best container for boiling because it's so long, and it tends to boil, to reach the boiling point in a long time. Don't ever do this in a survival situation. Don't pour out drinkable water, but I have plenty of water around here. I can always boil a little bit more. I think you're already gonna know. And let's try it. I'm gonna lose my gas. Ah, there it goes. Okay, I guess let it simmer there. Let's let it simmer, and I'm running out of nymphs in this pace. of losing them, you know. What should we take? What should we take? I want to take something lighter because not colors wise, but weight wise, because it just starts to cast really funky. This is a jig nymph. It's really heavy, and I think it's just gonna drag on the bottom too much. Let's just close it up. Well, I think maybe this is not the best food that one can eat, because one might argue that you're basically eating plastic from the container, because, you know, you're pouring boiling hot water there. But first of all, I think that the manufacturers probably have thought about it, so you don't need plastic. And also, if you're not eating it constantly, if that's not your only food source, then I think you're probably fine. Yeah, I think let's go cast. Let's do a couple more casts before the food is ready. And I think I'm gonna try that place. Something like this. Okay, let's go. My rod is still here. A little bit upstream casting. Not so easy as downstream, at least for me. Maybe it doesn't even make so much of a difference. Doesn't seem like they're biting at this point. There can be two possibilities. Either they're not here, but I think this is a decent spot as well, or they're not just biting at this time of day again. Because you saw previously a couple casts, and if there is something, then it's a quick deal. Where's my fly? So, I'm checking in with my food, with my almost a soup, and it appears to be somewhat ready. So I'm just gonna take the top part off. And yeah, well, today has been just beautiful. We have caught, I don't know how many fish, I would say like maybe 15, maybe 10, something like that, 10, 15 fish. I'm eating beef stroganoff with rice. Tastes really good. I think there's some kind of mushrooms are also there. I'm watching the water, seeing fish still rise. Just amazing. We didn't get to catch a single trout today. I don't know if we are going to manage still, because I think I'm gonna have my dinner, no, supper, and then just start to head out, because I have to hike a bit to get back. And what more is there? We caught a lot of fish. We had a wonderful time. The weather is perfect. I don't know what to add more. But yeah. Also, how entertaining it could be to watch another dude eat, right? Yeah. We're just hanging out. That's cool. Also, a thought that came into my mind a couple days earlier. I'd love to have a segment in my channel that is just not necessarily too connected to fishing or I don't know, hunting or whatever, but what would be like a chatting segment where we could just light a fire or cook a meal and just think about some topics that are popular right now or hurting for me or something like that. Not hurting, but yeah. And I'm thinking of how we could call that. Something like a fireside chat or something like that. But yeah, if we do end up on another well, those are no regular airplanes. Oh yeah. Damn. That was scary a bit. Out of nowhere. Probably didn't manage to catch them on this film. But there was a fighter jet just zooming above the trees. Hi there again, everybody. It's me signing off 5.5 hours later on the river. Well, about today, we had a wonderful day on the river. We had a lot of action. We found a lot of grayling, and even now when I came down to the river to make this outro, I casted it one time and I got one little guy. He unhooked himself, but yeah, it was fun regardless. I feel I could still keep going and still keep catching fish, but sometimes you just need to understand when to stop. And yeah, I think I'm at that point. We had a great time. 6 hours, I think it's reasonable. So yeah, I really encourage you guys and your families to go outside, to connect with nature, because there's nothing more beautiful than that. And if you are able to do it, then please do it. It's really really rewarding afterwards. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. Hope you did as well. I can't wait when I'm going on the next adventure. It's going to be soon because I want to be on the river when the season is so rewarding and fish are so active. So yeah. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, click on that darn subscribe button so you see my other episodes. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.